In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix banner from website Quick and Easy 2026 tutorial. Let's jump straight in. Start by heading to wix.com in your browser to access your Wix dashboard. From there, make sure you're looking at your list of sites. If you don't see it, click My Sites in the top left to bring up all the projects connected to your account. Choose the specific site you want to edit so that its dashboard opens. On that site's dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the button that opens the editor. Depending on your interface, it may say Design Site or Edit Site. Click it to launch the Wix editor. Give it a moment to load. Larger sites or slower connections might take a bit longer. So be patient and let all the elements render fully before you proceed. Once the editor opens, navigate to the page and section where the banner appears. Move your cursor over the banner and pause briefly. You should see selection outlines or a highlight indicating that the editor has recognized the element you're pointing at. This is a good way to confirm you're about to act on the correct item. Next, open the context menu. On a mouse, that's a right click directly on the banner. If you're on a laptop trackpad, a two-finger click or holding control while clicking works the same way. When the menu appears, look for delete and select it. If a small prompt asks you to confirm, choose delete or remove to proceed. The banner should disappear immediately from the canvas. If the banner doesn't highlight when you hover, it may sit behind another layer or be part of a header strip. Zoom in a bit and try selecting the banner's edge, or click slightly away from nearby elements to avoid selecting the wrong item. Also, if you accidentally select the background or a section, simply click elsewhere and try again until the correct element is outlined. A quick note for clarity. If what you're seeing is the default Wix ad on a free plan, that specific ad is controlled by Wix and won't go away with a right-click delete. Everything we did here applies to banners you've added or that are part of your site's design. That's it. You've opened your site in the editor, hovered over the banner, used the right-click menu, and removed it instantly. Take a moment to review your page and make any final design adjustments so your layout looks clean and consistent after the change. Thanks for watching, and great job streamlining your site.